So we start off today's video with this long to short transformation. Looks like she is excited for this major hair change into this beautiful bob haircut. Absolutely stunning hair change. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we'll be taking a look at some more hair transformations. So here we have someone else going from long to short with this beautiful bob haircut. Looks like the stylist added in some bottleneck bangs. Very pretty. This is definitely a chic, carefree style. And if you're looking for something that's low maintenance, this would be a great option to try out. And she can play around with the placement of the bangs, as well as many different styling options. Very cute haircut. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So moving on to hair transformation number 3. So it looks like she has hair just around the shoulders. And bam, pixie haircuts. Beautiful undercut going there on the side. Very nice shape and texture, beautifully done. She looks amazing with the pixie style. So next up, it looks like we have a color change. So it looks like she's getting a color touch-up. Beautiful blonde bob style. I really like the way that the stylist did this color. The dimension is just absolutely gorgeous. Next up, we see this beautiful gray-haired pixie style, full feather bangs in the front. She has so much fullness, absolutely gorgeous. And then we see another French girl style bob. Now with the French girl style bob, it does feature more of like a tassel look with the bangs. Very popular hair trend for 2023. Absolutely gorgeous. Loving this hair trend. It's like a polished, carefree style. Next up, it looks like we have another pixie style here. Oh, I love the hair color. It's like a really pretty silver lavender. Gorgeous. And she did have a nice spiky texture with that one as well. So then we see someone with mid-back length hair. Stylist adds some color. Oh, beautiful chocolate lob with the curtain bangs. Gorgeous transformation. And this is another carefree, effortless option to try out. Alright you guys, so I hope that you did enjoy checking out all the hairstyles featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.